want to talk about a technique I actually came up with recently on how to use gift cards that you don't really want. So what I did was I actually got a gift card to Best Buy. Went through Best Buy and I couldn't find anything that I really wanted. So what I did was went to their gift card rack and bought gift cards to somewhere else. Similarly, I had one to Staples, did the same thing. So, not a long video here, but basically what you can do is you can buy gift cards at Best Buy to anything from Marshalls to eBay to iTunes, all kinds of gift cards. Similarly, like I said, also a lot of the same kind of cards at Staples. So, if you're looking for, a way to get rid of your gift card without, kind of discounting it online, which I've seen people do as well, is basically, go online and put it up, a $50 gift card up for $45, that kind of thing. Here you get dollar for dollar value and you can get what you want. So hope this tip is helpful. If it was, give this a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing to my channel, and hope you found this really helpful. Thanks for watching.